Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to clear TikTok cache. Open TikTok on your device and then navigate to a profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then in the top right corner you see menu. This is 3 horizontal lines, and then go to settings. Here you should scroll down to the section cache and mobile, and here find free up space, and here eventually clear your cache. This is a really good way to free up your storage if you have if you are running out of your storage on your phone, and basically to keep your phone clear. This is also very good. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.